Hello everyone, this is Srivatsa from A-Star Express, and today we'll be looking at how iron is extracted from hematite inside a blast furnace. A modern blast furnace can produce up to 10,000 tons of iron per day. So how does it all work? Let's break it down. This process involves three primary raw materials: iron ore, which is iron oxide, coke, which is a form of carbon, and limestone, which is calcium carbonate. These materials are added to the top of the furnace, and hot air is blown in from the bottom of the furnace, which provides the oxygen needed for the reactions to take place. Now let's explore what happens in each zone of the blast furnace. In zone 1, the coke is oxidized by burning in the presence of air, forming carbon dioxide. This reaction is highly exothermic, meaning it releases a lot of heat, which raises the internal furnace temperature. The heat generated here drives the next stages of the extraction. Next, in zone 2, we see a reduction reaction. Here, more coke reacts with the carbon dioxide produced earlier to produce carbon monoxide. And finally, in zone 3, the carbon monoxide produced reduces the Fe2O3 in the iron ore to form molten iron and some more carbon dioxide. This molten iron collects at the bottom of the furnace and can be tapped off. The limestone or the calcium carbonate is added to remove the impurities in the hematite. First, the limestone breaks down into calcium oxide and carbon dioxide. Then, the calcium oxide reacts with silicon dioxide, which is the primary impurity in hematite, to form calcium silicate. This melts into a molten slag and collects on top of the iron, as it has a lower density than it. It is then tapped off separately. And finally, gaseous impurities like SO2 escape through the top of the blast furnace. Now keep in mind, for course students, all of these specific equations are not required. You only need to know about the overall process. However, extended students should memorize all of these symbol equations. And that's everything for the extraction of iron. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And I thank you for watching.